I was sent this queen size dark walnut bed frame from Yaheetech and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's get it out of the box and set up and check it out. Okay, so we got the bed frame set up. Very easy to do. You're gonna have to put 4 bolts on each corner with their legs attached to the rails on the sides. And then you're just gonna lay out these strips of wood. They already come attached with those black pieces of fabric on each side. So they're already spaced properly and connected together. Just gonna put a simple piece of wood down the center here with 4 feet that stand underneath, give it extra support through the center. And that's it. You've got a nice structure here to hold a box spring or put a mattress directly on top of it. This is definitely a very streamlined and simplified design that makes it easy to put together, but very complimentary. And if you've got a scenario where people don't want to sit up too high, this is low enough to the ground that it's comfortable for someone that has trouble stepping up too high to just ease their way into the bed. Now, to take a closer look, I really like how the joints here are set up. These feet have a ledge here on each side where these boards are resting. So it's a very solid design here. And then the bolts that are holding it through, there are 2 on each side, here and here, and then 2 more here and here. They give you the tool that you need also to tighten these up. It's a basic Allen wrench. But these bolts here are going to hold this corner very stiff, very strong, and just really nice all the way around. Really like the wood. The wood finish on it is quite nice all the way through. This one is the dark mahogany style color. You can get this in different options, different sizes. And then the wood slats here, they're all solid wood. And then they've got this nylon strap here attaching them all. But in summary, it's a very nice bed. This is a queen size here. I'm going to be able to put a queen size box spring, and I'm going to put a mattress on top. It's going to look really good. It matches with our wood finish in this room, and it's just definitely what we're looking for. So, hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this bed frame from Yaheetech. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.